Weight loss diets, tips for low-carb cooking. Do you want to try your luck on popular low-carb diets? Do you want to start but don't know if you really want to? You can always try to prepare low-carb dishes for a few weeks to see if it is a diet that you think you can follow. On a low-carb diet, you consume fewer carbohydrates in your diet. If you are a borderline diabetic or a full-blown diabetic, a low-carbohydrate diet can help you keep your blood sugar levels stable, and it will also help you lose weight. Breakfast is the most important meal at the beginning of the day. People like to eat sweets for breakfast, but if they eat fewer carbohydrates, other alternatives should be explored. The carbohydrates turn into sugar, the sugar burns quickly, then we are still hungry and have to eat more. The low-carb breakfast options are limitless. Several companies offer alternatives to low-carb breakfasts, and you can even eat eggs. There are many recipes for cupcakes and other low-carb foods that are suitable for breakfast. Potatoes are not a good option for those on a low-carb diet. You may think it's a strange choice, but trying cauliflower puree has been successful for many people on this diet. You can make cauliflower like you would with traditional mashed potatoes. So you don't have to give up these comfort foods altogether. If you like desserts, you don't have to do without desserts on a low-carb diet. There's a low-carb recipe for just about any dessert you can think of, including strawberry shortcake, cheesecake, brownies, bundt cake, and even cake. Brown rice is an excellent source of food. You get less carbohydrates when you eat it on white rice. Brown rice is a healthier option. Eating out can be difficult if you don't know the difference between high and low carbohydrates. Many restaurants now offer low-carb menu options. If not, stick to foods that you know are low in carbohydrates. Low-carb diets are a sure way to lose weight, but you have to remember not to overdo it. You still need to have carbohydrates in your diet. Low carbohydrates are very different from those without carbohydrates. If you try to eliminate all carbohydrates, you will only be able to put yourself in an unhealthy state.